To get started, create a free email account. Open your emails and start reading them. After that, you get compensated for reading and opening emails in the last phase. This is accessible worldwide and is totally free. To check your email inbox or your computer or smartphone once every day, all you need is a few minutes and no special knowledge or abilities. I'll show you some mistakes to avoid in this short video, along with an extra bonus tip to earn twice as much money faster than other people. Don't miss a beat and make sure to watch the entire video. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Watch the video right away. I'd like to introduce the Voltic.com website right now. You can make money by reading emails in this place. This is a new website that gives users a fresh method of making money with their emails. The majority of you, whether using Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or another service, I believe to have email accounts. By using any of these email addresses, you can practically start making money with Voltic for nothing. They presently have over 26,000 members and have over 300 online members. They actively read and open emails in order to make money. Their payment practices are transparent. You can see that people all over the world have received more than $2,000 in donations. Again, they are happy to have guests from all over the world. You may achieve the same results and start making money on this website by just adhering to the guidelines I'll give you in this little video. Numerous pages of actual payment records confirm that customers are using Voltic.com to make online cash withdrawals in real money. The process is as follows. You can earn money everywhere you go by just reading emails. This can be done via a mobile device, a computer, or a tablet. Android and iPhone are both affected by this. To make a free account, all you have to do is click on the screen register button. Visit this page right away to create an account. It's simple as pie to enter your login, email, password, and password confirmation. You can just leave the referral box blank since it is optional. They're going to instinctively recognize you right here. Let me provide you with a few examples on how to achieve this. This is both my username and my email address. I'll also type my password in the space. Before clicking the register button, I will click both of them to indicate that I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. You'll reach this page after providing your information. This step is crucial. If you don't finish it properly, you might not get any emails and won't be able to make any money. Here it reads, to ensure that you receive all of your emails and don't miss any premium emails. This is crucial because if the email is occasionally lost in the spam folder or you don't receive it, you'll lose out on several opportunities to earn money. Verify that your contact list includes this email address. You can use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Live, or Hotmail to read the emails on their website and get paid. Gmail offers a better email service and is widely used worldwide. Thus, I strongly suggest using it. To begin watching the video, you click on this link below. A little training video will show you how to set up this contact and add it to your account list. Now, go to google.com and type in the word Gmail. Press the search button and Google will take you to Gmail. Simply click the provided link to go to this website. Once more, this is essential because the first step is to create a Gmail account, which enables you to receive emails and get paid for just reading them. You can create a free Gmail account right here and start getting emails. All you have to do to access Gmail on smartphone is to go to the Google Play Store and find the Gmail app. Make sure to download the necessary software. If you have an iPhone, you can find this specific program by running a Google search for Gmail. When you access the Gmail homepage, I want you to click this blue button to register for an account. At this point, you can input your first name, last name, and email address on the screen. Additionally, before selecting next, be sure to double check your password. Once you have successfully entered your Gmail account, this will be in your inbox. You will receive email describing various marketing initiatives, products, specials, and other stuff. You should pay close attention since you will click the star icon to mark emails as favorites once you receive them. You receive more emails as a result of doing that, which help you increase your online income. The first piece of advice I can give you this: you should reply to the email they sent you after scrolling down to it, because if they see that you did, they will know that you are a regular email reader and you will receive more sponsored email in the future. Another benefit of doing that is that occasionally, the email can end up in the spam folder, which means you might miss some of the paid emails and lose money. I'll reveal a second email address that I created so that I could continue receiving paid emails from Voltic. I recently received another marketing campaign from a different company. You can see that it's just a simple email with a subject "Hi" or "I receive an email." Once more, you'll want to click the star button to favorite this email and the reply button to make a response in order to receive future paid communications. One more bonus that I want to share with you. On sometimes, you could receive an email that contains advertising. When you get the email, you need to click this link button to continue. You will then proceed to the business's office website after that. Make sure you stay at least 30 seconds after you arrive. Again, nothing requires clicking. You don't even need to take any actions to stay on the page for 30 seconds and aren't required to register or pay anything. If you receive a promotional email, you simply need to do that. Voltic.com provides us with the possibility to refer people and earn money in addition to reading emails. They offer up to 6 levels of commission, and you may also gain an additional $1 for every each referral you send their way. Please go to trendry.com, I ask you. It's a well-known forum where people discuss different online income ideas. As you go down, you'll notice that there are a variety of topics listed underneath this forum, including money making, get paid to, cryptocurrency, paid surveys, paid affiliates, and more. I want you to pay close attention to the Get Paid To section. This will take you to this area when you click it. As you go down, you'll notice that there are many different things that individuals are publishing and various ways to make money online. I merely wanted to show you some concrete evidence that other people are employing this strategy. Let's move on so you can see this person and his post. You only need to follow this link to observe how this person is using the same technique to drive a ton of referral traffic to trendry.com. In a brief post in this forum, he clearly explained that Voltic is and how you may earn money by reading emails. You may find some information about this as well as the referral link there. If you click on any of these referral links and register, this person will be compensated for referring you to this website. You can use the same method to get a ton of free traffic and referrals by putting your referral link on this forum, trendry.com. I wish more people wanting to make money online could benefit from this video. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.